overboard, I don't wanna stop now. You just struck a chord, spinning me around. It's the energy, it's the chemistry, oh, oh. Give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you halfway. A little something that's gonna make it last. One for you, one for me. I need your loving.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. Today I'm super excited to bring you guys this tutorial using the new Anastasia of Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. I also use the new Omrizi highlight, and I also use a new liquid lipstick and a new powder bronzer from Anastasia in this tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I was super excited when I received this palette in PR. The shades in this palette are so gorgeous. These shades are definitely everyday wearable shades, which I love. This palette is perfect for your everyday girl who just wants a palette with a good range of colors. I feel like this palette would be perfect for traveling because you have every shade that you could possibly need. There's some warm tones, there's some cool tones, there's some metallic shades, there's some matte shades. So I absolutely love this palette, and you guys are going to see it in action. So I'm just going to stop rambling and jump right into the tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my lids, and I love to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for this step. It really evens out my discoloration, and it adds a nice base for the eyeshadow. So I'm just applying that there, and then I set it with some translucent powder. For my brow bone highlight, I'm using Makeupforever Starlit Powder number 13, just because I like a very intense light shimmery shade. And then I'm going to jump right into the palette and use Orange Soda first. And I'm going to be using this as my transition shade, so I'm just going to be buffing that into the crease. So next I'm picking up this Mulberry shade, and at first I thought it was more of a maroon shade because it looks like that in the pan, but when you apply it, it actually applies kind of like a dark brown shade, which I did not mind. Either way, I think this shade is gorgeous and it's super pigmented, so I'm just starting to carve the crease with my defined angled brush, and then I'm going to be diffusing that in the next clip. But that's what I'm doing here. I'm just cutting the crease, and I do go above my natural crease because I want lid space when I open my eye. Then I'm going into Sienna, which is definitely one of my OG favorite Anastasia single shadows. So I'm just carving my lid with the Tarte White Clay Pot. And that's actually an eyeliner, but I love using it to carve the lid. And then I'm picking up this shade here called Bronze, and I've never tried this Anastasia single shadow before. I don't know if it's a single shadow actually, but I've never tried this Anastasia shadow, and it absolutely impressed me. It's stunning. This is such a pigmented metallic shadow. It definitely did not disappoint. And then I picked up Sultry, and I'm just going to be applying this onto the outer corner. I originally wasn't going to add this, but I thought that it definitely added a nice twist to the look, and I'm happy that I did that. I wanted to show more shades so that you guys could really see more of the shadows in action. And then I went ahead and picked up Mulberry again and just packed that onto the outer corner just to add a nice gradient effect and give the look a little bit more dimension. So now I'm just adding Schwing liner by the Balm on my top lash line, and then I'm applying my Shop Sofie lashes in the style Jamaica, and then I'm going to be applying my Makeupforever Aqua XL black eye pencil in my waterline, which is my favorite pencil for the waterline. And then I decided to go with a cool toned lower lash line, so I'm picking up Dusty Rose, and I'm just applying that on my lower lash line first. And then I went in with Cyprus Umber in the palette, and then applied that over top. So next I picked up this shade called Fairy, and I'm just going to be applying this onto the inner tear duct. And this color was so pretty. It's like a light gold shade. And that's the finished eye look. If you guys want to see the full face look that I paired with this eye look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is picking up my Professional Primer by Benefit, and I'm just going to be applying this product on my T-zone. For foundation today, I'm mixing my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation and my Estee Lauder Stay in Place Double Wear Foundation. And I'm just applying them evenly onto my skin and then buffing it out with this kabuki brush. So after applying my foundation, I always like to go in with a damp beauty sponge and just really work the product into the skin even more. And for concealer today, I'm mixing my Maybelline Master Conceal and my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to be using this to highlight my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. And then buff it out with your damp beauty sponge. And to set all of that concealer in place, I'm using my Maybelline Oil-Free Loose Powder. And I'm just setting underneath my eyes. And then right after, wiping it away with this brush and using the rest of the excess powder to set wherever else I want to set the foundation on my face. So next, I'm going in with my Mary Duminizer by The Balm, which is a liquid highlighter. And I'm just going to be applying this on my Cupid's bow, on my nose, and on my cheekbones. And you guys are going to see how I apply it. First, I like to go in with a really small defined brush and then use my pinky to blend it out. And it really melts into the skin when you apply it this way. I find that when I apply the powder highlight over top, it really makes it blend into the skin even more. So for highlight today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia and Morizi highlighter. So I like to apply the powder highlight the same way on my nose and on my Cupid's bow, just for precision. And then I just applied it over top of the liquid highlighter on my cheekbones. So for bronzer today, I'm trying out a new bronzer. This is the brand new Anastasia powder bronzer in the color Saddle. And I really love the warmth that that bronzer gave to my skin. It's very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. Then I'm just lining my lips with this Makeupforever pencil. And I decided to pick up this brand new liquid lipstick that I got in the mail in PR from Anastasia called Hudson, which is, I don't know if it's a new liquid lipstick, but I got it in PR. And it was a little bit too dark for what I was looking for, so I decided to pick up Stripped liquid lipstick by Anastasia and just apply it in the center. And I really love the way these two liquid lipsticks looked together. It definitely gave me more of an ombre lip type of look. So that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!